In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist on Slack. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable checklist set up inside a Slack canvas, perfect for tracking tasks right where your team already works. Start by opening Slack and heading to the Files view. You'll find Files in the left sidebar. It's the central place where documents and canvases live, which makes this a great home for checklists you want to keep organized and easy to find later. Once you're in Files, look for the plus icon. This button is used to create something new. Click it, and you'll see options for what you can create. Choose Canvas. A canvas is a lightweight document inside Slack, great for notes, plans, and, exactly what we need today, checklists. When you select Canvas, Slack opens a fresh blank page ready for you to set up. At the top of your new canvas, click into the title field and give your document a clear, descriptive name. Think about what will make it instantly recognizable to your teammates, like including the project name or the recurring purpose of the checklist. A strong title makes it easier to search for and reuse later. With the title set, move your cursor to the body of the canvas, just below the title. Here's the quick way to insert a checklist. Type // followed by the word checklist. As you start typing, Slack will show you a small command menu. From that menu, click on Checklist. This tells Slack to insert a checklist block right where your cursor is. You should now see the checklist layout appear in the canvas, ready for your items. If the command menu doesn't appear right away, make sure your cursor is in the main body of the canvas and that there's a blank line available. Then try typing the / command again. The / approach is handy because it's fast and keeps your hands on the keyboard. A couple of quick pointers to keep things tidy. Keep your canvas title consistent with how your team names files, so it's easy to find and reference. And consider adding a short description or context line at the top of the canvas so everyone understands the purpose of the checklist at a glance. Little details like that help your team adopt and trust the checklist. That's all there is to it. You navigated to Files, created a new canvas, named it clearly, and inserted a checklist using the / command and the checklist option. You're ready to put it